Did you know you can create amazing animated videos using just your phone? Even if you have zero experience? No laptop, no expensive software, just your smartphone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own animated videos easily. Before we start, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Daily Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss powerful tech tips like this. The first step is to download an animation app. One of the best apps you can use is CapCut. It's free, beginner-friendly, and has everything you need to get started. Simply go to your app store, search for CapCut, and install it on your phone. Next, open the app and import your content. You can use photos, short video clips, or even simple graphics. Just tap on New Project and select the files you want to animate. Now comes the most exciting part, adding animation. Inside the app, tap on your clip and choose animation effects like zoom, fade, or slide. These effects bring your content to life and make your videos look more professional. Take your time to test different styles and see what works best for your video. After that, you can add text and voice to your animation. Use text to explain what's happening and apply animation effects to make it more engaging. You can also record your voice directly in the app to guide your viewers through the video. Once you're done editing, it's time to export your video. Choose a high-quality setting so your animation looks clear and professional. In just a few taps, your animated video will be ready to share. Here's a quick bonus tip. Keep your animations simple, clear, and engaging. Short and easy-to-understand videos perform better, especially if you want to go viral on platforms like YouTube Shorts. So that's how you can create animated videos using just your phone. Which step was easiest for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Daily Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell for more tech tips.